guys, and what is up? I'm Tamia and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, you should totally subscribe.
I be so bold myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, step when you around me. Treat me like quarter right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
But today's video, I will be doing my everyday makeup routine. And I don't do a lot like how everyone else does, because I just don't like a lot on my face. I do foundation, I do eyeshadow, blush, and highlighting pretty much, and that's about it. I don't have any concealer, and I don't really bake my face or what's it called, contour. I don't do that either. But like when I get my makeup done, like people do it for me, but I don't do it, so yeah. But we're gonna start my face, so we're gonna take my glasses off. Oh, but I am using this. Oh, I don't use primer either, so yeah. I'm using this Simple moisturizer. You can see it. Yeah, I'm using this Simple moisturizer. I'm using this moisturizer, so we're gonna put a dot or a few dots right here. If I like mess up, it's because I can't see. So I'm glad I didn't put my what's it called, my nose ring back in, because that's the only thing I hate about it. My nose ring, that it's like get makeup on it. And like when I do my when y'all see my skincare routine, because I'm gonna do that a bit, like a little bit soon. I like use this before I do it. But so we have my makeup bag. I need to get new things, but that's besides the point. I do use powder, but I just don't use, what's it called? I don't use, like, you know how when people bake their face? Or, yeah, like, I don't use that. So, we're gonna put these, and then here. And then I go down my neck. So, I usually put this just the tape, and then we usually like blend her out and make sure it goes down to the neck. I don't have I usually do this with a blend beauty blender. Make sure you get like the upper lip and stuff. So you like pretend like you're putting on, like you're painting your face kind of, and I go down here like and then I go up with the brush, so you can get my what's it called, to my hairline. Then you just blend her out. So make sure that's great. Like, see? Make sure we got everything in. So I'm going to, when y'all see this video, I will be at Dragon Con. But I'm going to Dragon Con for my birthday. It's not my birthday, for the weekend of my birthday. And I can't wait. I'm cosplaying a bunny. And I'm also cosplaying Mirko from Hero Academia, I believe that's her name. I'm in the shade 470 for Fenty Beauty. I had this for a while. Like, I think I got it last year. but it's time for a new little foundation. But I'm in the shade 470 if y'all care. And this is the soft matte. Yeah. And then what I do after that is get this thing that I got for my free birthday month at Ulta. No, was it Sephora? I think it was Sephora. I think yeah, I got it from Sephora last year. And it's a translucent Laura Mercier powder. And I use this and I just like get it and do that, and then go all the way in my pores, and that's it. That's all I do. Then this is where so my eyeshadow is old, so yeah, like all of my things are old pretty much. Like I need to get new eyeshadow. So I got this Too Faced chocolate gold, and like look how old that is. Like the mirror is broken. Okay, and I also have this one, and I usually use strawberry lemonade for this. Like I don't even have a top for this. That's so bad. So I'm thinking of doing this one with the strawberry lemonade. I'm gonna do this one today. And I gotta get my brush. So I usually do a little brown like over the eyes, so I can see what I'm doing. Like a brown right there. So I'm going with, it's a brown, but the name of it is Old Fashioned. It's like right here. And I just do that and make sure it's all over my eyes. And then we are going to go with strawberry lemonade for the regular. And then yeah, I usually use my yeah, so yeah, like a little bit of the strawberry lemonade, but I also I like to hit it a little bit. And then I also put maybe like a tiny bit of sugar coat, and then put it right there. Give it a little something. I'm not good at makeup, but it's what I do. And that's all I do. I don't put mascara on or none of that. And then after that, I get this old blush that I have, and it's called Red Vino. It's a little really red thing, and then I do that, and then do it again, and that's it for my blush. Then I have two highlighters. I have this Fenty Beauty. It's the Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule, but I also have this little small one that I think I put it in here. It's definitely not in there. I don't know where to put it. Oh, here it is. I have this Hustle Baby, and it's a small little thing right there. Can you see how Hustle Baby? and it's Fenty also, but this one I usually use because these are like a really hard like thing. But I think I'm gonna do Muzzle Baby today. Yeah. Oh, it is my brush. So I'm gonna do that. Anyways, and then I have some, what's it called? Then I need to get more, but this is the glass slipper lip gloss from Fenty also. And then I just hit lip gloss on. Yeah, I feel like I should blend this in. Figure. And so, yeah, that's my. So, oh, there's one more thing I have to do. And that's it for my everyday makeup routine. Well, that's been it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe down below for more videos. And that has been it. Bye guys. Peace.